Hi guys, it's Dink Beats Face, and I'm coming to you guys to show you my new soft train case that I ordered off of eBay. You guys might not know, but I am an aspiring makeup artist, and I do makeup professionally. And I was outgrowing my small makeup case that I had, so I ordered this one off of eBay, and I'll have all the information in the description bar. So guys, stay tuned. I'm going to show you everything that's inside of the makeup case and all the different compartments. So on the sides, it seems to have some pockets, which, you know, when you're a makeup artist, you need all the compartments that, you know, you can have. So it has these pockets on the side, which are, you know, pretty deep, and I'm liking that. It has two of them. They're both the same, has the same depth. Let's turn it around. Okay, on this side it has a place where you can put your tissues or your wet wipes, which I like that because you guys know I love those baby wipes, and that's where I'll put those. And guys, I didn't get to show you a picture of the baby wipes, and I will before this video is over. It also has this little pocket right here on the side. You guys can see that. And let's open it up. A lot of little latches here. Let's see. Alright. And guys, this is the inside, and on the inside it has these little pouches. Bear with me guys, I'm trying to hold the camera and show you guys. It has these little pockets velcroed on the inside that you can put your pencils in, you know, your eyeshadow bases, your lash glue, even some of your small makeup brushes. So it's 3 of those inside, 3 of those. And then this is the depth of the inside of the makeup case right here. Get up so you guys can see. And it's pretty deep, guys. I think it's gonna work for now. I don't think that it's, you know, it's gonna be, you know, too small. And up here I'll put, you know, different things. I'll come back with the things that I'm gonna put in here, guys, but as of now I'm still building my kit. So if anybody has any advice on, you know, what to put in a beginner's makeup kit, please, you know, comment below and let me know, because I'm very open to, you know, advice of experienced movers. So you guys let me know what you think would be some good things for me to put in my kit. Alright, so going to the bottom, zips down, and it has these drawers. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 drawers, and the drawers come out, or it opens up like this, and this is the depth of the drawer. It's pretty deep. It's pretty deep, guys. So yeah, I think it's gonna hold a lot of stuff. I'm so excited about this train, guys. I've been wanting one for a long time, and I've been watching a lot of the ladies on YouTube, you know, getting theirs and talking about their trains and all the stuff they're putting in their kits. So I'm so excited when I watch things like that. I've learned a lot from the makeup artists on YouTube. So, you know, I'm hoping that, you know, I can, you know, be as good as they are one day. You know, I'm pretty good, but, you know, there's always room for more learning and, you know, perfecting your craft. So yeah, guys, I'm really excited about my case. The 3 little velcro pouches up here to put stuff in. You got this little well or bottom thing right here that you could put stuff in, and then you got these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 drawers that you can put stuff in and separate, which I like, so I can, you know, maybe put pencils here, my ones here, my lippy ones there, you know, just different departments to put stuff in and kind of separate it, so you won't have to have everything all mushed together. It'll be organized a little bit is the word I'm looking for, ladies. And again, on the side you have this compartment where you can put either tissues or baby wipes, whichever you choose to put in there. And then there's this little pocket on the side. And then on the other side, again, you have these two deep pockets right here to put stuff in. And then, of course, you guys know it closes up like such. And then on the back, you have the little pulley thing where you can pull it. So yeah, guys, I'm really excited about that. So yeah, I got my train case that I've been wanting so badly, you know, to have that professional look when I go places, you know, so people will be, you know, feel like I'm a professional basically. So yeah, I'm really excited about it, guys. And again, thank you guys for watching. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any advice about an aspiring makeup artist and things that, you know, I can put in my kit that are going to be reasonable, please comment below and let me know. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.
She be